Hello everyone! In this part, we will talk about how to use the speaking skills you have learned and apply them in real-life situations. Using your speaking skills helps you build confidence and become better at communicating in English. One of the best ways to improve your speaking is by practicing in real-life situations. For example, when you order food at a restaurant or cafe, you can use polite language, ask for suggestions, and make special requests if needed. Try saying something like, "Can I please have a coffee with no sugar?" Or, "What do you recommend for lunch today?" Another great way to practice is by asking for directions. Use simple and clear language to get the information you need. You might say, "Could you tell me how to get to the nearest bus stop?" Or, "Where is the nearest supermarket?" Additionally, making small talk is another excellent way to practice. Talk about the weather, current events, or shared interests with people you meet. For instance, you can say, "The weather is nice today, isn't it?" Or, "Did you see the new movie that just came out?" Participating in public speaking activities is another way to boost your confidence and improve your speaking skills. You can give a short talk, speak at an event, or join a public speaking class. Public speaking helps you practice organizing your thoughts, speaking clearly, and engaging with your audience. For example, you can prepare a short presentation about a hobby, travel experience, or favorite book. If you're looking for more structured practice, consider joining workshops or classes that focus on public speaking. These settings offer a supportive environment to practice and receive feedback. You can also think about joining a Toastmasters club, which helps people improve their public speaking and leadership skills. Joining English conversation clubs or language exchange meetups is another great way to practice speaking with others. These clubs provide a friendly environment where you can discuss various topics and receive feedback. Look for local conversation clubs or language exchange events in your area for regular practice opportunities. If you prefer practicing online, many virtual conversation groups and language exchange platforms host regular meetings for English learners. Incorporating English into your daily activities is an excellent way to make speaking practice part of your routine. Try thinking in English throughout the day. You can describe what you see, plan your day, or even talk to yourself in English. This practice helps you feel more comfortable using English in everyday situations. Another idea is to keep a journal where you write about your daily experiences, thoughts, or reflections in English. This activity helps you express yourself and use new vocabulary. Setting specific speaking goals can also help. For example, you can aim to have a certain number of conversations each week or use new words in your speech. Tracking your progress and adjusting your goals will help you stay motivated. Reflecting on your progress is important as well. Take time to review your speaking achievements and celebrate your milestones, no matter how small. One way to track progress is to continue recording yourself, speaking and reviewing the recordings. Listen to how your speaking improves over time. Also, seek feedback from teachers, friends, or language partners. Their input can help you set new goals and continue improving. In conclusion, applying your speaking skills in real-life situations and engaging in different speaking activities helps build confidence and improve communication. By practicing in a variety of contexts and setting personal goals, you will see continuous improvement in your speaking abilities. Keep practicing, stay motivated, and keep using English in your daily life. Thank you for joining this lesson. Keep up the great work with your speaking practice. You're doing fantastic. See you in the next lesson.